So today we have a vacuum from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I said it, a vacuum from the Dollar Tree. USB mini vacuum cleaner. I was checking out and I seen this and I'm like, you know what? I need my car vacuum. Great for dust and crumbs, keeps your desk clean, works with most USB ports, import DC 5V. Press to remove and empty the dust collection cup. Clean the dust collection cup after each use. Power switch. So we already used it, so we're gonna clean up this little mess. And it's the size of my hand. That's the power button. Let's see if it works. Come on, Dollar Tree. I am vacuuming the car out with a vacuum from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm about to go back to the Dollar Tree and get each child a vacuum cleaner. So when they in a car seat or when they in the back seat, they could clean their own mess. Come on with it. Clean your mess up. Wow. Amazing. You better like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bringing you all them good Dollar Tree videos. Stay tuned and subscribe, guys. Wow. Amazing.